Hey there, dental health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Teeth and Tails, your go-to channel for everything dental. Today, we're busting the top 10 myths about flossing to help you achieve a dazzling smile without the hassle. Let's dive right in. Flossing, also known as interdental cleaning, should be a key part of your daily oral hygiene routine. Yet many people still believe some common myths that can prevent them from flossing effectively. So let's debunk these myths one by one. Myth 1. Flossing is not necessary if you brush well. This is false. Brushing alone cannot reach the tight spaces between your teeth where food particles and bacteria hide. Flossing helps remove these particles, preventing gum disease and tooth decay. Myth 2. Flossing makes your gums bleed. If your gums bleed when you floss, it's often a sign of inflammation due to plaque buildup, not because flossing is harmful. Regular flossing can improve gum health and reduce bleeding over time. Myth 3. You only need to floss occasionally. The Australian Dental Association recommends flossing at least once a day. Consistent daily flossing is crucial for maintaining optimal oral health. Myth 4. Flossing is too difficult. Flossing can be tricky at first, but with practice, it gets easier. There are also various tools available, like floss sets, interdental brushes, and water flossers to make the process simpler. Myth 5. All floss is the same. Floss comes in various types, including waxed, unwaxed, flavored, and dental tape. Each type can cater to different needs, so find the one that works best for you. Myth 6. You don't need to floss baby teeth. Even children's teeth need flossing. Starting early helps establish good oral hygiene habits and protects against cavities in between their teeth. Myth 7. Flossing creates gaps between teeth. Flossing correctly will not create gaps. It removes plaque and food particles that can cause gums to recede and teeth to shift. Myth 8. Mouthwash can replace flossing. While mouthwash can help reduce bacteria, it cannot remove the plaque and food particles lodged between teeth. Flossing is essential for thorough cleaning. Myth 9. Flossing is painful. Flossing shouldn't be painful. If it is, you might be flossing too aggressively or incorrectly. Gentle, proper flossing is the key to a pain-free experience. Myth 10. Flossing takes too much time. In reality, flossing only takes a couple of minutes once you get the hang of it. This small investment of time can save you from more extensive dental procedures in the future. And there you have it, folks. Flossing might seem like a hassle, but it's essential for a dazzling smile and healthy gums. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Teeth and Tails for more dental tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and keep